prepare for takeoff.
All right, let's make this one short and sweet, guys. There were so many opportunities to make trades in the market today. Lots of massive candles all day long on the 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame showing you guys the same thing. 10 o'clock in the morning played down, 1 o'clock in the morning played up yesterday. Today we played down, and up again. So, you know, it was a similar day to yesterday, but with a W shape this time. Let's go over to the 1 minute. I made plenty of trades in these 1 minute windows here. Just crazy amounts of trades. It was a phenomenal day, of which I can't complain at all. Look at, we went all the way up, bounce, pulled down, went up a little bit higher, fell crazily. I was in a lot of those trades right there, and then that equaled to me making $16,000 and $15,000 today. I made money on a lot of accounts, but this is the most important thing right here. June 4th, I passed two more $250,000 accounts. That gives me $1 million in buying power total. I've got three $250,000 accounts, and I got a bunch of $50,000 accounts. And you're talking about $1 million worth of buying power in the stock market for just under $1,000 total. Crazy opportunity that I'm sitting on here, which I will not waste. These accounts can make you $10, $15, $20,000 a day, and with some of the new rule changes that they're discussing, you could be getting paid out for these pretty quickly if you show yourself as consistent. And I'm trying my hardest to be consistent every single day. Every day I'm bringing in on an average about $5,000 from these accounts. So, you know, you guys can do it too. There's nothing crazy about it that I'm doing. Like, taking trades off of the 200 EMA. Let's go to the 15 minute or whatever so you can see exactly how my trades went. The 5 actually. So over here, I come down to 200 EMA. I took a trade to the upside. It ended at 4 o'clock or whatever, 4:30. Just rode that on up. From here, you find the top, it pulls back. You get into the second part of the pullback where it's confirmation. Pushed on down for the next 10 minutes or so. And then boom, I get out of the 200 EMA as it's starting to pull back. I do the same thing when I'm coming from up here. I wait out all of this. When we finally start to confirm that we're staying below that, the next pullback to the 200 EMA, I get in. Boom, ride that on down as far as it'll go. We start to push up, get out of the 200 EMA. You know, it's very standard what I'm doing, you know, and I'll put together some basic stuff to let you guys know what all these patterns mean and how this candle worked and how it shot all the way up there but then fell all the way down. And remember what I told you guys, whenever you see a massive wick like this, the stock market is going to come for it. It's going to come for it later on. So keep that in mind, like, hey, this is a new high. We broke that new high, shot through it and went even higher, but that's because we were at like the 2 o'clock hour where there's lots of manipulation. But as soon as we would have formed above this 200 EMA here, I would have been looking to hold this to the upside for the rest of that time, which is pretty much what I did. But thank you guys so much. You know the motto, take the easy money. You don't have to do anything crazy. What I'm doing is not super impressive. I'm not over here like Rain Man, pretty smart guy, but I'm not doing anything any different than anybody else can do. Excuse me. It just takes a lot of practice and a lot of time and effort. You know, I'm at the point where I don't really think of over trading because I'm trading so many accounts at the same time. What I think of is I'm doing about 3 trades per account in groups of 3, you know, so I might be doing 21, like 16, like 15 to 21 trades per day. You know, but they're all kind of happening at the same time, which is why it really doesn't bother me too much. 4:30 in the morning, I'll start all the trades at the exact same time. I might stagger them a little bit just so that, you know, if I do lose, it's never a big loss across all my accounts, you know, but then I'll take profit usually at the same time too, and then we'll start the next trade at about the same time. So it really doesn't take me that much time to trade 15 accounts. It's just like boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, click one set, and what I did was I put them in sets because you have to select the number. So I put them in sets of 3 so that as soon as I click on a set to activate it, all I have to do is activate that account, and then I can trade all 3 of those inside of that account. But that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for checking out these videos. Very proud, man. June 4th, we got 2 more of these bad boys. Listen, guys, we're trying to do big things, man, and I can't wait till I can do things like giveaways and, you know, help people learn how to do what I'm doing as far as this day trading stuff goes. But, you know, hey, listen, I can't do this without the Lord. I can't do this without my teaching. So, like, all praise to the Most High. Thank you guys so much for giving me these opportunities to begin with. You know, and you guys should be safe out there. Be careful. Take the easy money. I'm your boy Sebastian, and I'm out.